In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Bluetooth could not connect problem in Windows 11 and if you're going through any kind of trouble, and this is what we have to do. So whenever you're trying to connect any kind of device and if you feel like it's not getting connected, this is what we have to do as the first and premise step. First one is all about we have to go over here in the search, type your first settings and click on the settings here. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to the Windows update. From here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down. There is an option called advanced option. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on optional updates. And if you're having any kind of pending update, that is one of the reasons, so make sure that you put a check on these boxes. And also similarly, we have driver update over here as well. Just go for download and install, and after installing this, you have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do is we have to do the same step once again. Go over here, navigate to the settings, click on this. Now from here, go to the Windows update, and from here you have to check or try installing any kind of updates that is having here. As you can see in my case, I'm having a lot of pending updates. That might be one of the reason. So try installing this and you have to check. After trying with this, you have to close this and we need to go over here, type your phone device manager, and we have to click on this. Now we need to try expanding this over here at the top, and from here we have to go to the Bluetooth, and what you need to do is we have to right click on the device, click on update driver, click on browse my computer. Let me pick from available list of computer here and select this and go for the next. Make sure that you select the right device from here after updating. Most probably that's gonna help you guys out, but still if there is an issue, we have to close this, go over here, type your first settings, then you have to click on this. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to the Bluetooth and devices. From here, we have to scroll it down all the way down. So first we have to click on this, or make sure that is actually turn it on. And also you have to click on the devices. From here, we have to scroll it down over here. As you can see, there is more device and print setting. Now once you get into this, all kind of Bluetooth devices will be visible here. And right now, if you're having a trouble with this one, we have to right click. And there is an option to remove the device and just go for remove. After the device is removed over here, you just need to connect it back. Then you have to right click and make sure that you have to connect it back. For connect it back, click on add device and go over here and try connect it back. Once afterwards, most probably any kind of this issue and it will be working fine, and this is what we have to do. And I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.